Alright guys, Georgia Jim here. I got a Mako 425 from Dusty and Wendy, and we're going to try to get this picked and gutted. Alright, we're going to go 50 thousandths top of the keyway with a number 7 in 25 thousandths. I picked this once last night before I left for work. It definitely feels trickier than just overset that. Definitely feels trickier than the 425s, and me and Dusty were talking about that a little bit, and I think it could be possibly Mako having new tooling for these locks, so everything's kind of fresh and sharp. That's just complete hypothesis or conjecture on my point. I have no way of knowing if the cores are made on new machinery or not, but that was my guess. I've seen some guys struggle with these, and I got this one pretty quick last night, maybe 3 or 4 minutes of picking it, and I didn't get a false set when I picked it either. So I'm interested to see if there's spools in it at all, and they're just in spots where they would have been better served elsewhere, or if it's this one's just got all serrated pins, and I just overset that. That's it. Let's go back and check one again. Okay, I got a false set that time. So let's see. 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Let's check for another one first. Make sure I'm not gonna. That's 5, and there we go. Get the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. Here's the bidding on that Mako too. So, pretty good. Alright, let's see. Here it is. I had to find that wrench in my pile of junk. Grab my followers. Let's see, the keys. I'm gonna shim it anyway. Should be fine, but that little ridge on the back, I don't want to take any chances. Alright, let's see. Standard in 1, serrated in 2, serrated in 3, serrated 4, serrated 5, and standard in 6. Alright. We got serrated in 1, spool in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4. So there goes my theory about a lack of spools. Standard in 6, and another spool. So yeah. Let's get that one turned. There you go. So 4 spools, a standard and 1 serrated, and 4 serrated key pins, 2 standard key pins because they're too short to do anything to. Alright guys, that's the Mako 425. Again, Dusty, I really appreciate you thinking enough of me to send me this. It's a pretty fun pick. Definitely feels harder than the 427s. So, alright guys, you have a good one. Thanks for watching.